Yeah, so I've cut a few back already. I shall get a few more. This is just a simple blue carrier bag. So all I need to do then is cut them back just below where the flower is, as you can see. So get a pile of them here. Sorry about this, but when you're doing it with one hand, it's a bit difficult. You're fine with these, it doesn't matter if they do drop on the floor because they're all sealed in pods and they usually stick to this main stem really well. These are covered in white fly and green fly, so what I'll do with these, I shall leave them in the bag that I've got and then just leave them somewhere dry, give them a good shake and get rid of most of them. And then when I open all the seed pods up, I can then sieve them and get rid of the rest of the green fly. So yeah, that's nearly a month done. As you can see, that's cut that really well back. That so next year this will grow from the bottom there. I should cut it back even further, and I'm going to spray this for green fly and white fly probably this week, and then that should produce a really nice crown for next year. And I should have plenty more lupins once I've sown some of these. So yeah, this is a little blue carrier bag. So all I do now is just show you. Just break these in half, like so, into the bag. I shall leave the bag open and somewhere dry. And then after a few days I'll give it a really good shake and I shall start getting the seeds. Some of these might be a little bit green. They might be just a little bit too early, but the rest are fine. And that's it. I can just open a few, just show you what's inside. This is the best part, knowing that you've done this yourself for next year. So yeah, just give it, just pop them like you do a little pea, like peas in a pod. I've dropped a couple, but as you can see there, really nice colour, good quality seeds those. Look really well. So yeah, I shall. Hopefully these are cross-pollinated with my other lupins, and hopefully they'll be really good quality. I'm looking for some really nice flowers next year from them. I'm hoping I want some really light colours, some pinks, some whites. Yeah, as you can see there, different colour seeds there. All right though. So yeah, that'll save me a few pounds. I have to buy them next year. So yeah, that's how to collect lupin seeds. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.